coffee so bad I can't function without it. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh no! Coffee time. Let's see what they got. Wow. Nothing's open. Where am I? This coffee shop is right down the street and it's closed, and it probably doesn't open till 8 either. What time do people wake up around here? Oh shit. Maverick for the win. They gotta be open. Literally nothing in this town. I mean, it's cute, but like nothing's open and there's like no stores. It's weird. Trader Joe's. Not bad. Heading to the visitor center now. Gotta get my sticker. Got my sticker. You should clean that off first. Until he gets a bath. Right next to Zion. Probably a little crooked. Maybe I should fix that a little. It's kind of crooked. Okay, get it, perfect. I was wondering, it just said we're entering the park. I don't see, there's no pay station or anything like that. So I'm wondering, is this national park free? Are there free national parks? If there are, I did not know that. Wow. Okay, I didn't think so. We're coming up on it right now. Oh wait, is this one open? Morning.
Hi. Thank you.
Thank you.
Do you need a map?
Sure. Yeah. Perfect. Thank you so much.
Of course, have a good one.
You too. The cliff dwellings. The cliff dwellings are 23 miles from the entrance station, and it's 35 miles an hour. So it might take a while to get there. But look at the difference between this area, and it was a very large area where a fire came through and destroyed all these trees, and it's supposed to look like this. Way prettier to drive through. Well, it takes forever to get to any of these like spots or hikes, and I really wanted to do a hike before I ate. I think I might be able to do this one short one. I have to look at the map again and see if there's even one over here. Okay, I have $1. Get in there. Well, that was super disappointing. I went as far as I could go. Maybe I'm dumb and you need to book a tour. I don't know. Like I said, I did zero research, so that's my fault, but I'm gonna try to find out something. So it's supposed to be a mile hike, and it was basically just walk down some stairs to an overlook. So you saw the photo. That's like as close as I could get. Don't be like me. Do your research first. Figure out when the tours are, make a reservation, and then you can actually go down and tour them. I don't know if there's anything else to see. There's a few things that says that you don't need a reservation, so I'm gonna try to find out and see if there's anything worth doing here, since I can't figure out where the heck I'm going. I'm making a wrap. So instead of cooking, I'm just gonna throw a bunch of veggies into this thing with this. This is a easy 1.2 mile hike. I don't know if it's round trip. It didn't say. So I guess it takes you to a lookout. Well, this way is the Soda Canyon. Overlook. What's down there? There's footprints. Holy moly. I'm not sure if this is part of the trail. I don't want to go off trail. I also don't want to die. I think I'll stay on the trail. What kind of poop is that? Ooh, oh, you can see. Okay, okay, dope. I wish I could show you. Okay, I'm super nosy. You can see one person. And it's just like, you know, a normal person. But it looks like he's having a conversation with somebody who's waving their arms a lot. I'm really nosy, so I'm trying to find out if that's a ranger and they went where they weren't supposed to and they got in trouble. Really funny, but I'm gonna try it. Oh my gosh, you can see. Oh my gosh, sort of. See the person there? Oops, behind the tree. And the ranger's behind that tree. But when you put your eye up to it, you can actually see more. Anyway, want to see some of the dwelling? It kind of looks stupid through here. This is terrible. This looks like an old-timey movie. It's a silent film. Get back in there. Too far. There we go. There was a couple that was driving in front of me. And they pulled over, and I think that's them. And I know you're not supposed to be in there because it was just in that area, and it said that reservation required. I thought I had some hot gossip for you guys. But I passed a couple of guys on the trail, and they were asking about, you know, how the lookouts, and I told them about the telescope, and I said, it's weird though, I saw people down there, and he said, oh yeah, there's a ranger down there. There's a tour. So it was just 2 people. So you just got to make a reservation. And pardon me, because my allergies are getting crazy. My check engine light's on. I did this once before on the way here, and I pulled over and turned it off and, you know, checked it out. And then when I turned it back on, it was off. Nothing is obviously wrong. I have coolant, oil. It's not making any weird noises. Well, I could take a left and see some more stuff. No, wait. That's where I just went. I'm afraid to go any further because I don't want to break down in the park. What should I do? But I also don't want to leave. Should I come back tomorrow? Like, should I take my van to a mechanic right now? Like, what should I do? What should I do? I'm going to go to the museum and turn off my van and turn it back on. It did it again, so I turned it off and turned it back on, and it's gone.
Doorways, they're narrow at the bottom, and they widen out and go up. You see that, Todd? Yeah. Yeah, that was kind of interesting to me that's how they made their doorways.
Okay, should I just do this hike? A sign back there said that this was strenuous past this point. It said it's 2.4 miles round trip, and it's strenuous, but after just doing the Mighty 5 in 5 days, and climbing and climbing and climbing, I think I got this, but I'll check in at the petroglyphs, and then you can see me crying at the end of this when I'm done, probably. Okay, then. Okay, I get to walk through this, I think. Oh, never mind. I mean, I could. Should I? I should. Oh, Can I fit? I can fit. Wow. That was pretty cool. I think this is original. It's in the guide anyway. This is crazy. This is a tight squeeze. Oof. Look at this. Big ass feet don't even fit through here. Not to mention my big ass. My big ass ass. Holy cow. How crazy is that? Wow. Photo shoot time. I have to go down there. So the trail just opened up to this. Wow. Was not expecting that. Intense. The wind is blowing hard. Don't blow me off the cliff, please. Oh my god. So I discovered this other cliff. I am on top of the trail that I just did. So all of that rock above me, I'm on top of it now. There's those damn stairs. I'm still not out of here. It's beautiful though, and it's easy. It's flat. I'll take it. He looks harmless.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's the same snake that we saw up at the top.
There he goes. Go in the sun. Oh man, he's dancing. Unsa, 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 unsa.
I'm only here for the party. Trust me, we just getting started. The sound, the vibe, I feel so alive. I'm only here for the party. Trust me, we just getting started. The sound, the vibe, big bass, that's what the heart is. I'm only here for the party.